What up, y'all? Live on Twitch. We're gonna check out DAESUNG Falling Slowly. Official MV. Damn, the guy has a bloody. He already has a bloody shirt on. What's happening here? Let's just start this, shall we? Oh. Oh my God, it's gonna be sad, isn't it? What happened to you? Back then. Oh. Oh, he's listening into people, or old ass typewriter. Ooh, let's go Dae. That's actor Kim Son-ho? I was full to realize it now. Whew. Oh. Oh, he's monitoring her calls? Ooh. I've definitely seen this actor somewhere. I'm not sure. Oh, he's falling slowly for her? But she can't see. It's a two-sided mirror, right? Or something like that? Or that's how it's supposed to be. Huh. His voice is so beautiful, y'all. Oh shit. Hold up, what the hell did I just miss? Woo. Woo. Oh, I missed DAESUNG's voice. I saw his last comeback too. Aww. Damn. Whew, I'm just in it. Sorry, y'all, if I'm not talking. Just, he has me hypnotized, y'all. And his story got me like glued. Oh, what happened? He typed up the letter. Okay. Oh no. Oh my God. Made a hard decision. Oh. No shot. Is this how he ends up bloody? Oh, I got chills. The ultimate betrayal? What? I'm speechless. Oh, DAESUNG's voice is beautiful, by the way. But damn, it's kind of like he followed slowly to his death, kind of thing too. Oh my god, that took a dark turn. Let's go DAESUNG. Yo, give it up in the chat for DAESUNG, y'all. Hype it up for DAESUNG, bro. It's always good hearing the voices his. I know he didn't appear in the music video at all. I feel like DAESUNG could be like a K-Will, just like other actors like doing the music video and stuff and just use his voice. I mean, I think that'd be fire too. Bro, he said that's just such a unique voice. I just love seeing it. I mean, his last comic, you did see more of him. Like, if you go to, let me see, DAESUNG, there you go. Oh, he even did like a live one as well. You guys should check it out. Yeah, for this one. He's good at ballads so well too. Oof, we love DAESUNG. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE from Jrekml. And I'll see you guys the next time. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school.